Hi all, welcome to Less Than 2 Minutes Tips. Today we're gonna see how to fit a nose trimmer to a beard trimmer. I'm using the Philips Multi-Groom Series 3000 as an example here. These items have become very popular after the COVID-19 2020 lockdown started. Most of these comes as an all-in-one trimmer, which includes the metal trimmer, the body comb 3mm, the hair comb 9mm to 16mm, the stubble combs of 1mm, 2mm, and also an adjustable beard comb of 3mm to 7mm, as you can see in the video here. Now another thing which comes with this all-in-one trimmer is the nose and ear trimmer. The connection part seems to be slightly different. So how do we fit that to the trimmer here? It's so simple. Just apply slight pressure on the self-sharpening blades here, and it comes out from the trimmer itself. And that's where you fit in your nose and ear trimmer. Just see which side goes in perfectly and slightly apply pressure to that part. It's done, ready to use. Now the same way, apply pressure on the opposite side, and you can take that out and keep the self-sharpening blades back in. Thank you for watching.